Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get the Peacock TV Black Friday sale deal. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple things that Peacock early Black Friday deals where. So there's going to be your free 7-day trial. So Amazon Prime members can sign up for Peacock Premium Plus via the Prime Video and get a 7-day free trial to check out everything the service it has to offer. It was also free with Walmart Plus membership, and then Peacock TV annual plan early bird black sale got it to $30, and then they were also giving premium annual plan early Black Friday deal, which was a 15% off, and Peacock TV student discount was also only $2.99 for 12 months, and so on. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.